And the very first time I fell in love with you, paint me a picture. Paint me a picture.
Hot girl.
Hot girl.
In a hot car.
In a hot car and driven off into the sunset.
Yellow diamonds in the light.
You're Franky Doyle, aren't you? Yeah. Heard a lot about you.
Thanks, Gidget.
Bridget.
I prefer Gidget.
What it takes to come alive.
When was your first time with a woman? I know you're a dyke.
Feeling I just can't deny.
Yes, I am a lesbian.
Now I've got
So you got my back.
it go.
Yeah. You heard of the term transference? In a patient-therapist relationship, romantic feelings can develop.
Tsui, you're in love with me? So you just want to fuck me?
Just Gidget, chill. You think it's gonna be okay? It has to be. So I'm a liar and a murderer, is that it? Is that what you think? I've risked everything for you. I couldn't just...
You're compromising me now, expecting me to cover for you.
I just want to hold you. Like I want to come home.
I want you to come home.
I'll visit you and I'll wait for you. And what if you're waiting forever? But then I'll wait forever. Fuck off!
Thank you.
You want to push me away? You fucking failed.
Won't hurt me. Congratulations, baby.
I'm not fucking Ellen.
I fucking love you.
I fucking love you too.
I love you! Call me back!
Gidget.
Stay with me, baby.
I'm not turning my back on her. I climbed. Fucking crossed it. I've crossed it.
We're alive and we're happy and I'm loving my life.